Sometimes you just gotta let it go. Everything ain't yours to carry, baby. Release it. And reclaim your peace.
What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel, back at you. Well, why? Why? Because I got a good one today. Absolutely marvelous. Yes, this mask here, y'all been talking about. You want to lighten it up. You want that wonderful brightened skin tone. You want it just glowing, fairer complexion. I got you. I got you right here. You already know. So before you get into the good stuff with me, okay, what I need for you to do, you came across this video and you got some more videos to watch by your girl. So make sure you have subscribed, first of all. Yes, go ahead and do that now. I got time. I got time. I got so much time. And then hit the post notification bell. Join the notification gang so you can be in the know each and every time I upload one, because I got a lot of them. I do. This is what I do, and I enjoy it so much. And I enjoy the fact that you love coming to hang out with me. Well, let me stop talking before y'all start talking about me in the comment section. Now have me crying and stuff. Not. But anyway, let's get to it. So today I am whipping up for y'all, listen, one of my favorite all-natural skincare recipes, a brightening turmeric and yogurt face mask that leaves your skin soft, glowing, and refreshed. We're getting to it right now. Listen, this is what you'll need. You'll need 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. Plain Greek yogurt, beautiful babes. The Greek yogurt helps to hydrate and gently exfoliate the skin. Got me with that? All right. The next ingredient is gram flour, or also known as basin. You'll need 2 tablespoons of the gram flour. The gram flour controls excess oil and helps to tighten the pores, okay? And then finally, you'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. That's it. That's the 3 ingredients, y'all. But the turmeric powder, let me tell you about it. The turmeric powder, it's a powerhouse for brightening and fighting acne. It's nature's glow booster. All right, y'all. Now, y'all already know we're going to whip this up now. We're going to start by adding the ingredients into the bowl. That's the 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt, the 2 tablespoons of gram flour, and 1 teaspoon of the turmeric. Now we're going to give these a stir to get them nice and smooth, like a smooth paste. If it's too thick, just add a few drops of water or even rose water until it spreads easily. Now, y'all, are you ready? It's time to pamper your skin now, okay? Now, make sure your face is clean and dry before applying the mask. You're going to either use your fingertips or a brush, however you want to apply it. Just apply it all evenly across your face and neck if you want to, but just avoid the eye area. Just smooth it on. And we're just going to let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes until it dries. Like this, okay? When it dries, it's time to rinse it off. We're going to use lukewarm water to do that. And I'm going to do it off camera. And now I'm back. All right? Now, when you're rinsing it off, you may have to use circular motions as you rinse. And this is going to help exfoliate your skin and remove any buildup, okay? Now, just pat dry with a soft towel or a facial cleansing towel, whatever you have on hand. Then follow up with your favorite moisturizer or facial oil. Now your skin should feel instantly smoother, softer, and have that natural glow a golden glow, as a matter of fact. This mask helps brighten your complexion, helps in reducing dark spots, and even calming any redness. This works beautifully. You can use this mask 2 or 3 times a week, depending on your skin type. If your skin's more on the dry side, once a week is perfect. Any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the fridge. It'll stay fresh for up to 3 days. Just stir before using it again. And that's it, beautiful babes. Your at-home glow up in a bowl. If you try this DIY mask, drop me a comment below and let me know how your skin feels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips right here on the original Beauty by Sweet Angel, all right? Until next time, stay sweet, stay beautiful, and take care of your skin, girl. Yeah.
Sometimes you just gotta let it go. Everything ain't yours to carry, baby. Release it. And reclaim your peace.